Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to make money on Fiverr. In this my Fiverr dashboard, I'm working last year. I already earned 5,500 plus. So I'll show you how I earn money from Fiverr. So Fiverr is a freelancing marketplace. I will provide freelancing service on Fiverr. So I provide service about Facebook business page setup. So there are so many options. There are so many freelancers that are working for provide many types of service. I provide Facebook business page create. I already earn so much earning. You already see this my earning. So I'll show you how you can earn money from Fiverr. So there are so much option. I already working on create Facebook page, Facebook business social media account. So I'll show you how to you work easily, no experience needed, no anything. So you can working on Fiverr. So I provide Facebook page service. So Facebook page create is a very easy, very simple. So no problem. You have to working with this. I'll show you how you can create a Facebook business page. So you can see this key they provide only create Facebook business page only $20. So he have two order already running, and this is another one. She create Facebook business page and she have 160 plus. She only take $10. And another one, he create Facebook business page and he is a level 2 seller. He take $20. So I'll show you how you can create and how can provide. So how to if you don't know how to create a Facebook business, you will go on YouTube and search. There are so much option, so many tutorial for how to create a Facebook business. You will learn, then you will working on Fiverr. You can learn how to create a Facebook page, how to set up everything. This is very easy, very simple. So I hope you will learn from YouTube, then you will working on Fiverr. I'm already working about this, so I earn 5,500 plus. This is so much easy. So you will know, you no need experience. You will see YouTube how to create a Facebook business page. Then you will provide service on Fiverr and earn every month. Every month earn you will $100, $200, $300, everything you can earn easily. So I hope you understand. Already there are so many freelancer they are working about that. So this is not so Fiverr is a freelancing international marketplace. There are so many clients. So I hope you will try and you will earn money from Fiverr. So this video will help you. Please like, share, and subscribe our video. I will share every day to make money online related video. So I hope you understand. Thank you so much.